Hello guys, good evening, good day sa lahat ng ating mga viewers and our followers. Ito guys, another set of our collections. Ito guys, napakaganda mga collections natin this day. Ayun guys, nakikita niyo ba yan? Yan po. Yun. Let's take a closer look. Ayan guys, another batch of our collection stones. Ito guys, bagong-bago lang ikakalinis na natin dito. Napakadami nito at saka bibigat, malalaki kasi. And guys, take a look at this guys. Anong klaseng mga stones ang ating mga collections. In this video, gonna share you a lot of another set of our collection stones. And guys, napakaganda. Semi-precious stones, green stone, white stone, crystal stone. Meron tayo mga different type of jade stones, jasper stone, green jasper, red jasper. And guys, meron tayong mga stone dito guys. So, ayan, let's check. Isa-isa natin ito guys. Ito guys. Look at this one guys. Ayan, napakaganda nito guys. Ayan, green stone, green jasper. Ito guys, green jasper stone ito. Napakaganda nito guys. Ayan po siya. So, take a look at this. Ayan. Tignan nyo yan guys. So, may white dito sa dulo. Saka dito, meron din siya. Green. Combination guys. Ito guys. Ayan. Combination naman siya ng white and green stone. Something pink here. Ayan, it's beautiful, napakaganda. Ayan siya. So, take another one. Yes. Look at this guys. So, ayan siya. Napakaganda. Anong klaseng stone guys? Ayan. Titingnan pa natin kung agate or quartz stone ito. Napakaganda nito. Ito guys, sigurado tayo dito kung anong klaseng stone to is green. It's a 3 agate. Ayan. So guys, 3 agate yan guys. So napakaganda yung stone na yan. Green and saka white. Combination siya of quartz stone. It's 3 agate stone. Napakaganda. Meron pa yung kasama guys. Ito guys, meron din. Yan. Yan siya. Napakaganda nito. Agate stone or it's a quartz stone. Ganda. Okay, another one here. Take a look at this guys. Ayan siya. Combination ng stone color and textures na iba rin. And here, and look at this white stone siya, no? Here, something gray. Combination siya, ang ganda ng klase ng textures niya, ng form ng stone na to. Okay, let's see another one. This one, what do we call this? This is a green stone, quartz stone. Napakaganda nito guys. Ayan siya, we see a closer look. Take a look at this guys, the combination of the stone, the colors. Napakaganda nito guys. So, hope you know what is the type of stone is that. Ito guys, napakaganda, larong-klaro nito. So yan, it's a quartz stone I guess, or agate stone. Quartz, yeah, it's a quartz stone, napakaganda. Yellowish. Yellowish din siya guys. Napakaganda niya. Take a look at this. Yan. Purely stone. Napakaganda guys. Yan. Made by nature. Made by God. And it's nature. Ayan guys. Another one. Take a look at this one guys. Ayan siya. Anong class ito guys? It's a jasper or a jade stone. Hindi lang tayo sure nito guys pero maganda siya guys. Ito another one here. Look at about this guys, kung ano ito guys. So you can comment down below kung anong klaseng stone ito. Kayo na po ang mag-identify ID for this time of stone. Napakaganda. Surely it's sobrang ganda. Ito, ayan, napakaganda nito guys. Combination na naman siya, no? Take a look at this guys, napakaganda. Jasper, I guess it's a red jasper, it's a jasper stone, I guess so. If I'm not. Ito guys, oh. Look at this guys, it's a quartz stone. Napakaganda nito. Quartz stone. Ayan siya, oh. Napaganda nito guys. Ibang klase yung to. Ayan. It's purely like rough. Looks rough. Meron pa yung kasama guys. Ito guys, isang quartz stone again. Ayan o, napaganda. Ay, sorry. Yes, quartz stone. Napaganda nito guys. Oh. So, rough siya guys. It's a rough. Best combination of the color yellowish and white. Look at the textures of the stone. Yan, it's purely quartz stone. Napakaganda. Yan, napakaganda. Correct me if I'm wrong. Guys, another one. Napakaganda nito guys. Ang laki. Ayan. Look at this guys. Quartz stone. Ibang klase. Kumikislap, kumikinang sa sobrang ganda niya. Ayan. Look at this guys, oh. Purely stone. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda guys, oh. So beautiful. Precious stone. Semi-precious. Ayan. Napakaskinis. Ibang klase. Dito lang nyo makikita guys sa ating video, sa ating page or channel. So please subscribe for more videos like this guys. And you will be updated always itong mga collections natin. You can see napakaganda talaga guys, ibang klase yung like this guys, para updated naman kayo always. Ito guys, oh, green jasper. Ayan, green jasper, napakaganda. Kumikisap, kumikinang pa. Very shiny. Maganda ng green jasper na to guys. Meron pang isa guys. Ayan, green stone. Ayan, napakaganda. It looks like gemstone. It looks like gemstone, I guess. So it's a gemstone. Napakaganda niya ito. Green stone siya, no? Para siyang gemstone. Yellowish. Your stone that napakaganda. So see you guys for the next video. Meron na tayong maraming collections na papakita natin sa inyo. So always be updated like this. You can see more about us, different type of collections now. See you guys in the next video. So always be updated. To God be the glory.